It is 8:30 in the morning. Another overcast day. Looks like it's going to be raining quite a bit. That is the weather pattern up here for this time of year, it appears. And I don't have big plans for today. I'm not going to go hiking through the mountains or anything. But to start the day, just in the mood to go to the coffee shop, see if they have any of my favorite snacks. Some fried banana, some bakwan. Oh, here's a kitty. Are you a friendly kitty? Hey, you want to say hello? I spooked the cat originally and it ran away, but it came back. So it's no longer the weekend. It's Monday now, so life is kind of, feels like it's going back to normal. I can hear kids at the school and a bunch of guys at the coffee shop. Halo, selamat pagi. Yeah.
Coklat.
What is that?
Coklat.
Oh, chocolate.
Ya. Wajwa. Kopi tinggi. Kopi.
Coffee. And
Lape.
bakwan.
Bakwan. Bakwan. Bakwan. Lape. Lape.
Oh, grape. And that one?
Goreng pelo.
Pillow.
Pillow.
Pillow. Ah, okay. Oh, thank you. Terima kasih.
Wah. Wah. Dia bawaannya.
Do you make the food here? Ah, it's a nasi?
Yes.
Oh, nasi, yeah, I like. Yeah. Saya suka.
Saya suka. Where you come from?
I'm from Canada.
What are you doing?
I'm just a tourist on holiday.
You happy my country?
Yeah, very happy. Yeah, very happy.
Barat ini semua. Barat, you tigo. Bantu. 33.000.
Iya, kilo. Kilo.
Coklat.
Chocolate.
33.000 sekilo. Lumayan aja tebak itu satu ulang lah.
Iya.
Ya, itu lebih baik.
Coba di saksi.
Awak yang kedua kado orang.
Ya setiap sakit kok.
Ya,
Ya macam.
apakah kamu membuat makanan di sini? Ya.
Yes.
Ya.
Yeah? Here?
Ya.
You make it?
Iya.
Ah, good. So, enak. Enak.
Enak.
Enak. Saya tidak merokok.
Oke.
No smoking for me. Okay. So, time to go. Berapa harganya?
14.
14.
14 terus saja.
Iya.
That I know.
Ya.
14.000.
Ya.
14.000 rupiah.
Rupiah.
Yeah,
Kemarin 14.000 rupiah.
rupiah. Yeah.
Di tempat lu dia minum cuai.
Thank you.
Risiko,
See you. Selamat tinggal.
Selamat.
The school here is across from this coffee shop. And while I was enjoying my coffee and snacks, I noticed the sign over here, and I started translating things. And it says that it is a school, Sekolah Berbudaya, and that is like a cultured school or virtuous school. It's kind of like their code of conduct, maybe, the values they're trying to instill in the children. And I started doing a little bit of translating. So number 1, senyum, I believe, is smile. Translates as smile. And let me see if I can whip through the other ones quickly. Number 2, salam. Okay, regards, you know, greeting people, I guess, just to be friendly to people and greet them. Number 3, sapa. That translates as who. So I don't know what virtue that is. Number 4, sopan. I think that's polite. Let's see. Yeah, it translates as polite, so be polite. But I think number 5, santum, it means also be polite, but maybe it's a different type of politeness. It must be. Number 6, I don't know, sabar. Be patient. Number 7, syukur. Be grateful. And the last one, number 8, prayer. So there you have it, the code of conduct and virtues for the virtuous school. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. And for those keeping score, my coffee and 5 snacks. I had 3 bakwan and 2 of the other snacks. I still don't know what that other snack is made out of. I don't know the full name, but part of it is like pillow. And I think it's some kind of a tuber plant, something. But I don't know what it's made out of. And I had 2 of those, 3 of the bakwan. There were no fried bananas this morning. And that came to 14,000 rupiah, which is just under $1 US. And I asked them if they made the food themselves. And they said, yes, they did. So they make it there in that place. Hello. Hello. I've seen a lot of children at this building seem to be, you know, taking classes or studying, doing things like that. And I did a translate. Hello. How are you? Saya dari Canada. Canada. Just around Sarik. Yeah. And I did a translate on the name here, and it's a library. That's what the word perpustakaan means. Perpustakaan is a library, which makes sense. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. So some sort of a library, and I guess they offer classes to students from time to time. It's a very attractive building. Something else I've noticed quite a bit of here is people walking dogs, and they're often walking multiple dogs. So they'll have them on leashes, on ropes. This morning I saw a man with two quite large dogs, and the other morning I saw a man with three. It's quite a common sight. I'm still confused about the questions that I get. That woman just said mana, but again, I don't know whether she's asking me, where are you from or where are you going? I can never quite distinguish between the two. So I just guess which one they're asking me.